welcome back. This is again Kat speaking.
This is May from our Ground Group. Welcome to our channel.
And you may see before, I just give you some brief introduction of only our two products. As I mentioned, firstly, we have more than 400 kinds of products. Now we will introduce another two products. Firstly, we have mentioned before, we are top one manufacturer for hand sanitizer gel. That is the ingredient is 75% alcohol. So, and I think most of the people will ask the question like this. Oh, besides the alcohol hand sanitizer, do you have normal hand sanitizer for washing, cleaning their hands?
Yes, so we also have this, and we have what you want. You can see some our fruit antibacterial soft soap.
This is soap liquid with use water to wash your hand.
You need to wash your hand. As you can see on our catalog, these are many different shapes. And if I cleanse, first of all, I saw your catalog. I have the question like this. Wow, so colorful. What's the color means? As you can see on the yellow, the color. This is red. You can see also under this.
This is a red apple.
Right?
Red apple.
Yeah, you can see the color with the fragrance. And this is green. Green apple. And this is yellow.
Yellow for lemon. Lemon. And I think in our daily life, we call this fruit fragrance hand washing liquid. So we put different fruit fragrance into the hand washing liquid. So if mom. So I worry about whether this product can use for kids or children.
Yes, of course. And you can also see on the catalog. We also have another product which was very popular for the kids. You can see it.
So which is foam hand washing liquid. So and I think this is this one.
Right? You can see it. It's blue. As you see it, what you want with.
From the liquid, I just see it's just the liquid. Does it have foam?
Yes. It is special.
Really?
Yes. Special press. When you press it, it will be the foam and very much in bubble. Many kids may like this.
And I think
very interesting.
Mentioning this, I want to share one experience last month in Taizhou exhibition. I went a grandmother. She just looked through our exhibition. From long distance, he saw our products. She asked me, hello, may I know? This is what products? I told her, this is our hand washing foam.
Liquid,
Does it have foam? Yes, we have. So she told me, I have a good son. He like foam.
Yes.
I will buy this one.
Kids don't like washing their hands frequently, but with this, they will enjoy washing their hands.
So it means this one also can kill germs.
Yes, of course.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Or just like this one. This one is for liquid, and this one is for foam.
The foam is very delicate.
You
will enjoy it. Also, the fragrance is ocean. You will like you just imagine it. You are on the set on the sea. You going that. It's very enjoyable.
As I mentioned for the last appearance in exhibition, this grandmother buy this product from our Alibaba.
This is most popular for the mom.
And she said his grandson like foam. And also wasted it. And crushed his hands.
We're very much bubble in bubble.
Yeah.
Very, very interesting.
And I think this full form, if for our clients, I want to know, you mentioned you are a professional manufacturer. Can I do private label?
Yes, of course, we can do. Not only the private label, but also the private ingredient.
Yeah.
So OEM and ODM. Yeah.
So and for our customers, as I mentioned before, they will care about our company ability.
Yeah.
So comparing with our hand sanitizer, alcohol hand sanitizer, what is the capacity for this product? Do you know?
Yes, same with the hand sanitizer.
Yes. Do you remember this number?
I have a good memory.
So tell me, speak loudly to our valued clients.
Yes.
What is our capacity for these products?
3 million per day. Bottles per day.
Oh, so if you don't remind, I will show you again. Our daily capacity is 3 million bottles. You read it right. It's 60 and with 3 million bottles per day. So that is our power of. And meanwhile, we also have a professional, as maybe mentioned before, we have professional design team. If you have special needs of ingredient, of flavors, of bottle size, please do not hesitate to contact us. First of all, visit our website for more details or call our hotline for more details. We will give you as clear as detail as we can to you, let you more about the background and all of our products, okay? So,
okay, Kate, what about the price? Many people may concerned about we are on the cotton fair.
Yes, so as we mentioned before, we are professional manufacturer in this industry for almost more than 20 years. We have big supply chain team and we have strong ability to control the cost. So we can do what we can do to support you best price. So if you want to know more details about our price, so please do not hesitate. Contact us for our website. Our 20 hours customer service will be ready here, ready for you, or just call us at any time if you want. So can we move another product?
Yes, of course.
And for another product is what? And I think it's bleach.
Yeah.
This one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, we also have this.
So this is our Cleese bleach. As I mentioned firstly, we are professional manufacturer for disinfectant products. This one is also the top hot selling products for during this COVID-19. This is called bleach. Bleach. Oh, most Chinese may know this. In Chinese, we call this 84. And I also met some clients that also know this name, Chinese name. They call it 84.
84. Yeah.
I will tell you in Chinese, this is 84 means bleach and also called 84. Yes, correct. So just follow us with us. This is our bleach. So this is a different shape of our bleach. So please let our valued clients know what is 3 points of our products or advantages of our products.
You can see it on the label. The first is disinfect and sterilize. You know, in the COVID-19, we need to kill the germs and bacteria. It can kill 99.99 germs and bacteria effectively.
Oh, really? Yes. That is to say, we just mentioned this. That is to say, we have all production lines for disinfectant products to kill germs during this COVID-19. So we have all production lines. So if you visit us, if you know more around, I think you we are the only and the best choice for you to choose our products, to choose our best service. So, and another
you can see
function of our bleach is what?
This is a remove stain and bleach.
Remove stain?
Like the name, remove stain, deep stain, and the bleach. You know, when your clothes are colored.
Colored with other colors. For example, this is white clothes. If they colored with
we eat hot pot and the stain on the white clothes, you can use it.
But be careful. It will harmful. If we directly use our hands to this product, it will a little harmful to our hands. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so that will well groove, I think.
Yes.
Okay. So under the function?
Yes, is the remove mold and the deodorants.
Deodorants. Yes. Just as its name, bleach. To bleach.
Yeah. These are the 3 points. 3 advantages of our bleach.
And according to my experience, in Southeast countries, most clients for this product to clean their toilet.
Yes.
Okay. Not only toilet, can we spray for the floor?
Yes.
It's okay.
We can do that.
Okay. Yes. But just put the exact percentage of with the water. Right. Not use it directly. Just put our. We have direction in it. Yeah, we have direction of this product. Use how many percentage of water into our bleach. Then spray the floor. That will kill germs. That will bleach. That will clean your toilet.
More details you can also contact our customer service.
Yes. Please, for more details, and as I mentioned many times, time is limited. And I highly recommend you for more details. Please visit our website 3allground.com or call our hotline. We will right here waiting for you with almost 24 hours. So, and why, as I mentioned many times, we have stability of our factory. We have a professional design team. We have
our R&D.
And we also have many abroad workers. From abroad, so that will support you if you need. We have branch.
Expand your market.
Yes, we have branch almost 10 countries. And we send these products to almost 114 countries.
140.
That is to say, almost everywhere you will see our brand Kelis.
Yeah, I was thinking that in Kenya about billboard.
Yes, we also have this is our brand. We also have slogan. May speak loudly of our slogan. A Kelis home
is a clean home.
Yes, so as I also mentioned before, we have a series of disinfectant products to make you clean, to make you the atmosphere safe. So why not choose us? Just place the order or call directly to us right now. We will offer best service. We will offer best price for you. So just now call us or visit our website to talk with our online customer service. Okay? So let's see the video for more details, and I will wait
for your calls, and you can just contact our customer service for more details. Okay. We have a great promotion now. Just do it.
Yeah, just do it. Okay. Let's see the video VCR. Okay.